Is your Samsung Smart TV remote volume stuck? No matter how many times you press it, the volume just won't change? Don't worry, I've got 3 simple solutions to fix it. Let's get started. First, let's turn off smart features. This can help if your TV's smart hub is causing issues. Here's how to do it. Grab your remote and press the home button. Go to Settings, scroll down to General and select Smart Features. Turn off both options you see here. By disabling Smart Hub Auto Start, you prevent unnecessary apps from running in the background, which can cause the volume to get stuck. Yes. Next, let's clean up unnecessary apps. Too many apps running in the background can overload your TV's memory, causing the volume to freeze. Here's what to do. Press the home button and go to Apps. Select Settings in the top right corner. Look for apps you don't use and delete as many as possible. Simply highlight an app, select Delete, and confirm. Reducing the number of apps can improve your TV's performance and fix the volume issue. If the first 2 solutions didn't work, try resetting the Smart Hub as a last resort. Here's how. Press the home button and go to Settings. Navigate to Support. Select Self-Diagnosis. Choose Reset Smart Hub. Enter the default PIN 0000. This will reset your Smart Hub to factory settings, which usually fixes the volume issue. But remember, you may need to log back into your apps afterward. Try them in order, and you should have your volume working again in no time. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.